talk to you about coral reefs and the importance of coral reefs to our daily lives. You might not think about it, that, a bunch of little animals that live on the bottom of the ocean can be so vital to our lives, but they are. They provide a massive amount of the oxygen that we breathe every single day. They provide almost $9.6 billion in ecotourism to multiple countries around the world annually. It contributes to over $100 million worth to the U.S. fisheries alone, not even including all the other fisheries globally. And in total, coral reefs contribute to about $28.6 billion into the global economy. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef that's located in the southern hemisphere around Australia. In total, the Great Barrier Reef is around 132,974 square miles. That's about twice the size of Oklahoma. So what's in all that space? A whole entire world filled with fish and coral. It's a huge ecosystem and a beautiful one. In fact, coral reefs contain almost 1/4 of underwater animal species. But there's a problem. The Great Barrier Reef is dying. Due to acidity in the water and rising heat levels, the coral is being bleached. So you may be thinking, what's coral bleaching? Due to climate change, more CO2 is being released into the air annually. And subsequently, this makes the water warmer and even more acidic. This makes the algae living on the coral, called zooxanthellae, leave and the coral turn white. The corals survive on the zooxanthellae for nutrients and food. Without them, they bleach and eventually die. This is a big blow to the environment. Healthy coral is essential to the ecosystem around Australian shores. Without it, shelter, a food source, and a major source of oxygen are gone. Coral bleaching in the Great Barrier Reef is a serious problem, and we need to fix it. How are we going to prevent these coral bleaching events? Well, as we discussed earlier, coral bleaching events are caused by two main things: a decrease in pH and an increase in ocean temperature. So the main cause of coral bleaching is an increase in ocean temperature. So recent studies have shown that a specific Symbiodinium, which is a type of algae that lives in coral, clade D Symbiodinium, is actually thermoresistant. And thermoresistant means that it actually can thrive in ocean temperatures that are higher than most general areas. So areas like the Persian Gulf and even the American Samoa. And so if we can identify these specific genes that give this clade D Symbiodinium its unique properties and genetically engineer it and insert it into other thriving coral colonies, we can create algae and coral colonies that can thrive in these increasing ocean temperature areas and thereby decrease the events of coral bleaching events.